Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eka Susanti with NPM 224-11106 from Management Class 22B. Here I will explain about hypothesis test. Hypothesis testing is a fundamental tool used in scientific research to validate or reject hypotheses about population parameters based on simple data. This tool provides a structured framework for evaluating the statistical significances of a hypothesis and drawing conclusions about the true nature of a population. Hypothesis testing is used widely in fields such as biology, psychology, economic, and engineering to determine the effectiveness of new treatment, explore relationship between variables, and make data-driven decisions. Hypothesis testing is a statistical tool commonly used in research to determine whether there insufficient evidence to support or reject a hypothesis. This involves formulating a hypothesis about population parameter, collecting data, and analyzing the data to determine the probability that the hypothesis is true. It is an important component of the scientific method and in use in a variety of fields. The hypothesis testing process usually involves the hypothesis, the null hypothesis, and the alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is a statement that there is no significant difference between two variables or there is not relationship between them, while the alternative hypothesis indicates that there is a relationship or difference. Researchers collect data and perform statistical analysis to determine whether the null hypothesis can be rejected in favor of alternative hypothesis. Hypothesis testing is used to make decisions based on data, and it is important to understand the underlying assumption and limitation of the process. It is important to choose the right statistical test and sample size to ensure that the results are accurate and reliable, and this can be a powerful tool for researchers to validate their theories and make evidence-based decisions. Types of hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing can be broadly classified into two categories: when sample hypothesis testing and two sample hypothesis testing. When sample hypothesis test is when sample hypothesis test or researchers collect data from population and compare it to a no value hypothesis. The null hypothesis usually assumes that there is no significant difference between the population mean and a null or hypothesis value. Researchers then conduct statistical tests to determine whether the observed difference are statistically significant. Some examples of when sample hypothesis testing are when sample t-test. This test is used to determine whether the sample mean is significantly different from the hypothesis population mean. One sample z-test. This test is used to determine whether the sample mean is significantly different from an hypothesis population mean when the population standard deviation is known. Two sample hypothesis test. In a two sample hypothesis test, a researcher collects data from two different populations and compare them with each other. The null hypothesis usually assumes that there are no significant differences between two populations, and researchers perform statistical tests to determine whether the observed differences are statistically significant. Some examples of two sample hypothesis testing are independent sample t-test. This test is used to compare the means of two independent samples to determine whether they are significantly different from each other. pair sample t-test. This test is used to compare the mean of two related samples such as the pre-test and post-test score from the same groups of subjects. One sample hypothesis testing in use to test hypothesis about when population, while two sample hypothesis testing in use to compare the population. Hypothesis testing step. Formulate a hypothesis. The first step in hypothesis testing in formulating the null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis usually assumes that there is no significant difference between two variables, while the alternative hypothesis suggests that there is a relationship or difference. It is important to formulate a clear testable hypothesis before process the individual data collection. Collection data, the second step is to collect relevant data that can be used to test the hypothesis. The data collection process must be carefully designed to ensure that the sample is representative of the population of interest. The sample size must be large enough to produce statistically valid results. Analyzing data. The third step is to analyze the data using appropriate statistical tests. The choice of test depends on the nature of data and the research question being investigated. The result of statistical analysis will provide information on whether the null hypothesis can be rejected and support the alternative hypothesis. Interpreting result. The final step is to interpret the result of the statistical analysis. Researchers need to determine whether the results are statistically significant and whether the result can and support or reject the hypothesis. Researchers must also consider the limitations of the study and the potential implication of the research result. Common mistakes in hypothesis testing. Hypothesis testing is a statistical method used to determine whether there is insufficient evidence to support or reject a particular hypothesis about a population parameter based on a sample of data. Two types of error that can occur in hypothesis testing are type L error. This occurs when the researcher rejects the null hypothesis even though it is true. Type L error is also known as a false positive error. Type 2 error. This occurs when the researcher fails to reject the null hypothesis even though the hypothesis is false. Type 2 error is also known as false negative error. To minimize their error, it is important to design and conduct research carefully, select appropriate statistical tests, and interpret the result correctly. Null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. In hypothesis testing, there are two types of hypothesis: null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis. Null hypothesis. The null hypothesis (HO) is a statement that assumes there is no significant difference or relationship between two variables. This is a standard hypothesis that assumes to be true until there is sufficient evidence to reject it. Alternative hypothesis. The alternative hypothesis HA is a statement that shows there is significant difference or relationship between two variables. This is the hypothesis that the research wants to test. The null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are complementary and do not conflict with each other. If the null hypothesis is rejected, then alternative hypothesis is accepted. If the null hypothesis cannot be rejected, the alternative hypothesis is not supported. The goal of hypothesis testing is to determine whether there is sufficient evidence to reject the null hypothesis and support the alternative hypothesis. Significant level and p-value. In hypothesis testing, the significant level alpha is the probability of making a type 1 error. This is rejecting the null hypothesis when in A p-value is a statistical measure that indicates the probability of obtaining an observed result or a more extreme result in the null hypothesis is true. Power analysis for hypothesis testing. Power analysis is a statistical method used in hypothesis testing to determine the sample size required to detect a particular effect size with a certain level of confidence. Power analysis is important because it helps research determine the appropriate sample size needed to achieve the desired power level. To conduct a power analysis, research needs to determine the desired power level, significant level, effect size, and sample size. Okay, that's all the explanation for me. Thank you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.